Turning your engine 12J166. Turning good. At the front engines looks good, as you can see. Compressor, no broken. Same as well like on this side. Look as well on the windows. This is our button inside. Gearbox. On the good conditions. And on this side, everything's nice. Altimeter looks good. Starter without any damage. On the top we have computer engine. All connectors and injectors looks nice. Plastics cover on the good conditions, as you can see. And on the bottom, well, some without any cracks, no leaks. And turning your engine 12J166.